What's up everybody, it's Andy here from CryptoComparer.com and welcome back to another video. So in today's video we're looking at our day 4 of trading cryptocurrency on Beaxy. We're also going to look at some of the new promotions and offers that Beaxy have got on at the moment. So we'll have a quick look at the promos that Beaxy have just launched yesterday, and then we'll show you the trade that we've done as well for day 4. So Beaxy obviously are up in the game now in the marketing department over the next 90 days, which obviously we wanted to coincide with our trading challenge as well. And what they're going to be doing is they're going to be giving away a Tesla Model 3. So this is on Twitter. If you guys go and have a look over it, I'll put a link in the description below. But yeah, trade and get an early entry to win a Tesla. Yes, you read that right. Starting today until October 31st, every $5,000 in traded volume earns 5 entries to win a Tesla Model 3. Then we'll look at medium and look at the T's and C's in more details, with additional prizes in BTC for 2nd and 3rd place. This means you can earn 5 entries for just around $60 daily traded volume. Anyone can win. There are also multiples for meeting certain criteria. You can multiply your entry potential as follows: 1.5 multipliers for buys, 2. So there you go. So this hopefully bring some more volume, liquidity to the platform. We're trying to do our thing and encourage this platform. I do think it's going to be the next best thing, and I do want to get in there early. So if we jump on, and then they've got deposit bonus as well. So if we jump on to the Medium channel, one of the guys, TJ Wilson, has added this. So again, starting from yesterday, they're launching 2 special promotions for all Beaxy users. For the sake of simplifying things, we've split the promotions over 2 articles. We'll look at the Tesla one in a moment. So yeah, the links will be in the description for these as well. You can have a proper read, but I'll just glance over them. So we're having a deposit bonus. For every $1 deposited to Beaxy, you earn 5% back in Beaxy tokens, which is good. Beaxy token allocations will be based on the price at the end of the competition. Contest will start August 5th and run until October 31st, sorry. Rewards will be calculated using the difference between deposits and withdrawals over this period. So yeah, you can deposit and withdraw crypto. Obviously we're doing a challenge where we've just put $100 in. 100 Great British pounds, which was just over $112, and we've been trading that up as well. This means a user depositing 10k in crypto and withdrawing 5 will receive rewards based on the 5k difference, so that's good. Rewards will be earned for every $1,000. This campaign will be capped at $10 million worth of cryptocurrency, so that's a decent amount. This will run with the referral promotion and the Tesla sweepstakes as well. T's and C's is quite basic. So price taken in USD amount, tokens will be auto locked in PLS for non-US residents, and auto locked in membership program for US residents. Obviously we're in the UK here. Apologies to our US friends. Doesn't look as though PLS is coming out for you guys just yet, but obviously you could put them into the staking and get discount off the fees. If we jump onto the Model S, nice looking car, Model 3, nice looking car. I prefer a Model S, but a Model 3 would be better than nothing. So yeah, so this is the same. So it runs alongside the deposit competition. So for every $5,000 in traded volume, earns 5 entries to win a Tesla Model 3 with additional prizes BTC for 2nd and 3rd, like it says on Twitter. So you're saying you can earn 5 entries with just $60 of daily traded volume, which isn't hard to do, depending if you've got the balance, if you can get the trades, the volatilities in the Beaxy coin, and it's only going to increase as more and more people flood to the platform now. The more you trade, the greater your chance of winning. This promotion will be running simultaneous with the referral bonus and the deposit bonus as well. Volume multipliers, let's have a look. For this contest, there will be an opportunity to earn volume multipliers depending on where your volume comes from. This can translate into additional contest entries. So this is obviously going to help us with our $100 to Lambo challenge. We might get this Lambo just yet. Volume traded via any orders on Beaxy trading pairs will be multiplied times 2. Yeah, we're trading with Beaxy. So we're doing trades on USDC and the BTC pairings. Volume traded via buy orders on any trading pair will be multiplied by 1.5. Volume traded via sell orders on any trading pair will be multiplied by 1. Hopefully they'll add some sort of functionality where we can all keep track via our accounts of where this is up to. If Beaxy are listening and watching this video, I do think it'd be a good addition, guys, to just have for the next couple of months. Multipliers are credited based on volume traded that meets each condition, but will only be counted as at intervals of $5,000. So, example, if you trade a $10,000 in total with volume with $5,000 in Beaxy on the buy side and remainder of the volume on none, Beaxy per. On the sell side, you would be credited with 20,000 in trade volume, netting you 20 in total entries. That's good. And it's important to understand the multiples will stack. And so a Beaxy buy order will result in a 3 times volume multiplier, but Beaxy sell orders will so they're basically encouraging liquidity in the platform, which is fantastic, and it's encouraging people to buy and sell Beaxy, and bring money to the platform. So this can only be a positive thing. If you win the contest and decide that you don't want a Tesla, you can opt for a cash or BTC price equivalent to 60% of the value, depending on your jurisdiction. If they can ship the Model S over to the UK, I'll have a Model S. Ideally right-hand drive. If not, I'll take Bitcoin. No purchases necessary to enter competition. Tesla is not an official sponsor yet. If you wish to receive cash instead. So that's good. So we'll close them down. We'll come off that. Links will be in the description. So we'll get onto our trades. So this is the daily now. You can see we've hit, if I show you on the daily, there we go. So there was the low, which was 427. We've created a double bottom here on the daily, a 431. There's not much in it. You can see we've crossed over on the RSI now, but it still could go either way. You can see here the volume could go either way as well. We've got like a little volume well forming here between 450 and 522. So following on from our weekend trade, we ended with 1924 tokens, Beaxy tokens. What we done, we bought them in at 433. So with Bitcoin rallying, it did give us a really good trade yesterday, and I'll jump into the 15 minutes to show you what we done and my logic behind it. So there was the volume coming in yesterday, a lot of volume coming. To be fair, it was the launch of the competition yesterday, so I think that was the initial volume. You can see if we put a resistance level here at 570, so it's a bit higher up. If we go to here, there's the 570, so that's when we start hitting a bit of resistance at 570. There's a bit of a sell wall here at 525 now, 519. She's probably going to stay between the 520 mark and the 450 mark for the next couple of days, I think, unless somebody moves these walls. So let's have a look. So what we done, you can see we bought in here, we sold. So basically I sold the 1924 for a big profit. It was about 10%. So we bought in at 433, which was here, okay, and then I sold them all at 483. Let's have a look. 483. It won't let me get that for some reason. Doesn't want to get the 3. Don't want to get the 3. There you go. We'll go conservative and go below it. So that was 11.5% profit trade yesterday. Really good trade. Really chuffed with that. We're trying to do 1 to 3% trades a day. So it just shows that perseverance, holding back a bit, seeing where the market goes, does help you in trading. Obviously, a lot of people, quite a few people have reached out to us on our Instagram and saying, obviously, you know, you start with $100. Obviously, why not put $1,000 into it and stuff? But we're trying to help beginners get involved in cryptocurrency. We're trying to educate the uneducated. We're trying to simplify it a bit to show them that you can turn $100 into a life-changing amount of money. But not only that, it teaches you to be conservative. It teaches you patience. It teaches you to have emotional attachment to money, and it shows you how you can use compound interest to your advantage. So yeah, we're going to stick to our guns here. We're going to keep trading where we're at, and we're going to keep doing it for the 90 days, with the completed goal looking at locking them up into PLS, and then that way we'll create another passive income from cryptocurrency. So yeah, we had 11.5% profit trade. So if we look at our times real quick, it was, let's have a look, let's just go to here. So it was at 12 last night. Where we looking? It was about, there you go. So it was at the bottom here. So my logic was it was going to continue to drop a bit, and it looks like it turned. So we could have got a bit more out of it, but obviously I went to bed. I'm happy with 11.5% profit. You can see it then there's another kind of resistance, support and resistance level here, and it's back down there now. If we don't have the VWAP on here, let's see if we load the chart layouts. Let's have a look. So that's in the 5 minute. If we jump out to the 15 minute, it kind of looks like the wrong coin. Let's have a look. When I've done that, it's loaded up the USDC chart, which is really weird, because let's just go back to there's gremlins in the system. There we go. Right, so you can see now there's our trade from the 433 to the 433 to 483 was 50 satoshis, 11.5% profit. It's coming back down now. You can see it started since 8 o'clock this morning. It's leveling off here. There's no real volume. We're based in the UK at the time of the video. Most of the majority of people in the US are asleep. But you can see here that we've had quite a lot of selling pressure here all through the night. We had selling pressure this morning as well. So I personally think it's starting to slow down. But if we look at the MACD, we can see it's oversold here on the RSI. The MACD still hasn't crossed back over, so I still think there's going to be a bit more room for it to go a bit further, if I'm honest. There's not been any trades here, so I'm going to be looking at getting an entry level anywhere from probably for about 460. I can't see it going. Probably hits about 455, 453, but it could turn. So it could go either way until I see signs of that on the MACD. What I'm going to do is I'm going to put an order in here with the 463. So we are going to use that. And let's have a look. See, there we go, and that trade will allow us to buy back in for 2003. So guys, if you're going to do this as well, obviously to be the market maker and market taker and get obviously not to use your Beaxy for fees, make sure you're on limit buys and limit sells, and make sure you use the post only functionality as well. And there we go, that's in there now. Looks like somebody's added to our order as well. So if we go to open order, you can see we've got 2003, and then the other sales have dropped off now, so hopefully that should fill. If it does look like it's going to come down, it's going to, and this buy wall here, that if that's fake and that gets removed, then if I can, I'll look at trying to cancel the sale and buy back in cheaper. But if not, I'm happy with that because we're in profit and we're over the 2000 like we wanted to as well. Yeah, so really easy video, quick video. Talks about the to recap, we've gone over our 11.5% profit trade from day 4. We talked about the deposit competition and the Tesla competition for Beaxy as well. And we'll look at hopefully buying back in at the 463 mark and riding it back up. So yeah guys, if you've enjoyed this video at all, learned something new, anything whatsoever, please hit the thumbs up, please hit the like button, it's appreciated. Also comment below, let us know your thoughts, your strategies. Remember, it is aimed at beginners, so if you want to add anything, put that in the comments. Also where you guys have tuned in from, that's always good to know. And finally, if you're new to the channel and you haven't already done so, please remember to hit the subscribe button and the notifications button next to it. That's the little bell button. That'll notify you when we publish future videos. But until next time everybody, it's goodbye from me. Bye bye. Bye guys.